help me. They like, fuck him. We ain't paying shit. Fuck him. That's how they is. Man, this shit crazy, man. Blue know I got fucked though. He know. Everybody know. Everybody know. Everybody part of the conspiracy. Yeah, I was shot up. I'm going to tell the judge, too. I can't wait. I'm going to tell the judge, I was shot up. They did it while I was shot up. I was shot up in the bed. I couldn't go nowhere. Then when I first heard about it, I reached out to guys. Man, let's get this deal done. What's up with you? Woo-woo. That nigga ignored me for 4 months. Album came out. And I ain't see Boosie on the back. Oh, it's smoke now. So you done took my heart. You done took my fucking gold in the mine. My gold mine. You done fuck with the gold mine. If you done fuck with anybody else, I probably wouldn't even say shit. If you done fuck with anybody else, I probably wouldn't have said shit. But you won't fuck with the gold mine. You won't fuck with the gold mine. This nigga make hits. You won't fuck with the gold mine. Okay, Empire. You won't fuck with me. Okay. I'm finna entertain you this whole week. Every time I get on live, I'm entertaining you. Yeah. If you're a Boosie fan, do not support nobody. I ain't just say nobody. If it say Empire Records on the back, don't support them. I don't give a fuck. Fuck that. I want my choke. And I ain't finna be quiet. I was trying to be quiet because I thought I was gonna get some money. That's why I was being quiet, because I thought I was gonna get some money. I was being quiet. I was like, they finna give me some money. They know everybody fucked up. I was being quiet. Now they won't take it to trial. So I'm finna take it just to trial and trial on social media. I'm finna take you to social media trial. I'm gonna see what social media gonna say. Let me show my signature again. Hold on. Let me. That's not mine. Look at it. I don't even write. That shit don't even look like it got Boosie on it. Look at it. Then they put 2 R's. They were scared. It's not mine. This one keep ice froze. Do not support them. They forged my signature. Took all the money from Still Mine. What's the name of the song? Is it Still Mine or Will Mine? You're Still Mine? Okay. Forgery! Forgery! And I still was a real nigga. I still ain't stopped that nigga motion. Still ain't stopped no album or nothing. Know what any other nigga would have did? Any other nigga would have shit, boy. I still ain't stopping nigga motion. Get your money, man. Get your money. Cause God ain't gonna let him fuck on me. $10 million, I'm gonna holler forever. You know how much money that is? $10 million fucking dollars. That's going in the trust for my children. You done fuck with my children money. It's up. It's up. You gonna lose one way or the other, motherfucker. You best believe that. Cause I'll go back for 10 mil. I said I want to live there for 10 mil. You fucking with a gangster. You fuck with me. I want my money. I'm sorry. I need my money. I was being quiet. I thought I was gonna get some money. That's why I was being quiet. I wasn't saying shit. I was just hoping I'll wait. Nigga won't pay me nothing. Find my signature. Made $80-something million. And I'm the CEO. Nigga forged my signature while I'm shot. Same mama, same daddy.